I was in a car accident in Kentucky in 1983. It was minor. It wasn't a bad accident, but it was an accident. And I had a person sitting on my right, and I was driving. So when this car came in front of me, I threw my right arm over to brace the person that was in the car with me. And in doing so, I had a lot of problems, and I did have rotator cuff surgery shortly after that. But then as time went on, of course, and age, since I'm 85, it just hurt more and more and more. Lifting hurt a lot, and just daily normal things would hurt, and it was what we say in Tennessee, aggravating. And then I heard about Dr. Badman and came to see him, and he says, oh, we can fix that. So when Dr. Badman told me that he had the procedure that was just for me and for people my age, I thought that was wonderful. And he described the procedure, the reverse shoulder surgery. I was so pleased with the news, I said, can we do it yesterday? So I had surgery, I believe it was December the 17th, 4 years ago. It was just before Christmas, about a week before Christmas. And I have done wonderfully and great, and no one believes that I really had surgery on my right arm. So anytime I see someone with a shoulder problem, I always say, I know just exactly who you need to go see. In the past 4 years, many people have heard about Dr. Badman.